Okay, this is lesson 2.2, and it's the B and the C section, which are voice 1 and voice 2. And so we put them together, and they're very nice. And I need to remind you of some of the things that we talked about. What I want to tell you is that we're in Ionian mode, which is the do, which is this. Okay, that's the Ionian mode. We're in B flat, and it's a melody. The main melody is in the female vocal range, which is from here to here. It's an octave. The second voice is the male range. And our first little melody was just written free. So you just picked notes from the scale, from the Ionian, B flat Ionian scale. And the second voice is written free against that first voice. The only two things you want to avoid is landing on any of the notes that are being played by the first voice. Just don't double. And the second thing is no 13ths, and a 13 is one more than an octave. And in B flat, you have a couple of places where that happens. One would be between the third and fourth step of the scale, and then the seventh and the root. So that's the third and fourth step of the scale, right? And if I put this up an octave and played then this, I get this, and that's a 13 because it's 13 half steps between those notes. It's the only interval that doesn't occur in the overtone series between consecutive notes. Okay, between consecutive notes. So that's a 13. Don't write 13ths and don't double. That's all you got to do. Write any other notes you want against the melody. Try to have it make sense. Try to make it singable. Okay, so our guy is, that's the main melody. Second melody is this. Okay, put them together. What do you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. No, we put them together and they sound good. And this should prove to you that if you just write nice lines, you don't have to worry about chords. They'll end up sounding really great. So that's what we're doing. We're finishing that up today, and then we're going to move on. Now, we could put a third line, and there could be a fourth line, all sorts of stuff. But really what we want to do is repeat this process in every mode. And so we'll be doing the other church modes, okay? So there should be 7 compositions that come out, 7 compositions that come out of this lesson that you will have. Those will be your compositions. And as you get good at these, you'll find that, okay, these are like sketches and I can develop them and that sort of stuff. All right, so I'm T.C. Jones, and I appreciate you putting the time in this. Modes are fun. Modes sound great. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, so we've done the melody, the first line to our Plainsong, and we've added a second one. But I want you to see how it's used. So we're going to marry it to a picture and give you a little idea so how you can do it. Because the idea is for us to use the guitar to score the different medium, like video games or any kind of visual on TV, films, all that sort of stuff. You want to use the guitar. Now, in this case, it's just guitar. But eventually we're going to teach you how to translate that into orchestral composition. Okay, so check out this little video. I think you'll like it.